Okay, so flow chart of mole concept. Flow chart of mole concept. Okay. And for this, we required, did you remember, we required 4 boxes. If not, then again, I'm drawing it. This is number of moles. This is volume at STP. It is only used for gas. Only for gas. Okay, children?
Sir, you will not announce the winner?
Yeah, I
Yes,
will.
sir.
I will announce. I will announce. I will. Uh, uh, it will be better in presence of our means our Prashant sir is there, no, our head. Okay, so he will be with the help of him only we can move forward. Okay, so I have given my plan to him. What he will decide will be the final. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
So, okay, I told that everybody has participated nicely. Okay, so keep it up, huh? Hello,
Thank you,
children.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
For this is, and this is the column for weight, and this is for number of particles. So if you have any problem in weight, you can use at mass also. Mass is better. So tell me how many terms are important? 4 terms. Number of moles, volume at STP, and then weight, and then number of particles. Did you remember how we used to go?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, if we wish to go from this chamber to this chamber, what we have to do? So VSTP is equal to number of moles into 22.4
It is
liter.
22.4.
Yeah, liter. If we wish to come from this side, then weight is equal to number of moles into molar weight.
Molar mass.
Okay, molar mass or molar weight. Okay, if you wish to go to this side, okay, we use
Avogadro number.
number of particle is equal to number of moles into Avogadro's.
Avogadro number.
Yeah, in same way, if we wish to come back, okay, like this, what will be the formula? Number of mole is equal to number of particle by Avogadro's
By
number.
Avogadro number.
If we wish to come back here, then what will be the formula? Number of mole is equal to whatever the volume at
STP by
STP divided by
22.4.
22.4 liter. Okay, and if we come back this side, number of mole is equal to W by molar weight.
Sir, if
Yeah, so
it is,
tell me.
sir, if it is given NTP instead of STP, then what we will do?
Same thing. There is no problem. Okay. If any change, I will tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Please note it down. First, note it down.
Noted, sir.
How many formulas
No,
are there?
sir, please wait, sir.
I'm waiting. Note it down.
Yes, sir, noting. Sir, done, sir.
Completed?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So, see. Let me rub it. Okay, now, so see problems based on this flow chart. Okay, so write down one question. This is from
Okay,
page page 26. Okay, page 26 from our
Okay,
material.
sir.
Okay, our material, and question number is 17. I will send all this question in the group also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Right. So
Thank you.
see, the question is, read nicely the question and try to think that from where the reaction, which formula we have to use. That is only the ability we want to develop. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
After going through the question, if you can make out that which formula must be used, then you are updated, then your information is completed, then you are a good student. Okay, your this skill is developing, and if you develop, I will be the happiest person. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so the question is, see the question, 1.5 moles of oxygen atoms are present in okay, number 1, 0.5 moles of barium carbonate. Okay, another one is number 2 option, 1 mole of again barium carbonate. Number 3, okay, 2 moles of barium carbonate. Hello, यही पे घर पे नहीं, हाँ सर, मैं भी सर क्लास में हूँ, मैं 5 बजे कॉल करूँ। हाँ, ओके। तो अब देखिए, कम ऑन, डू इट, अप्लाई योर फॉर्मूला। ओके, डिड यू रिमेम्बर? याद है आपको हम लोग क्या करते थे? हम बोलते थे कोई भी फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास, मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला, तो यहाँ पर 3 चीजें रहती है बेटा। आई थिंक यू रिमेम्बर्ड।
एटॉमिसिटी।
हाँ, तो देखिए ये है ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, ये है आपका एटॉमिसिटी, और ये आपका नंबर ऑफ मोल्स या नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल जो भी। तो अब यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं लिखा है मतलब 1 है, कुछ नहीं लिखा मतलब 0, और यहाँ पर देखो अलग अलग चेंज किया है, 0.5, 1, 2, 0.25 like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose if I write over here 0.5 in this previous question 0.5, then what will be the oxygen moles? What is about oxygen moles? Okay, children, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
slowly see, immediately you will come to know this is 1, this is 1, and this is 3. Okay, so 0.5 mole of this whole thing means they want to break it, you break it. So if you want to break it, you will get 0.5 okay mole of barium For simplicity, I'm not writing the charges. Okay, we'll get 0.5 mole of barium because only one is there in one molecule. In same thing will be applied 0.5 mole of what? Carbon,
Carbon.
but 3 into 0.5 means 1.5 mole of what? Oxygen. Oxygen atom.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think we got our answer in the first one itself only. Okay.
Yes, sir. Got.
But let us check the second one also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if you want to check it the second one, uh, shall I write again or delete? Shall I rub this one?
Sir, rub this one, sir.
Okay. Or otherwise, let me write it down. There's no problem.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, this is the molecule, barium carbonate. I told you something is written over here, something is written over here, something is written over here.
Yes, sir.
In this question, see, they have written one mole. Now they are asking to
One.
yeah. So nothing is written means 1. Nothing is written is 0. Means this is about oxidation numbers. So there is no nothing to discuss about oxidation numbers. So not required. This is not required. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let us start. So if we break this one, we will get 1 mole,
1 mole of barium.
yeah, of beryllium and 1 mole of carbon and 3 into 1, 3 mole of oxygen. Did you understand?
Oxygen.
So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah, so this is not required. We required 1.5 only.
Yes, sir.
In this way, if you do like this, you will get 6 mole of oxygen atoms. Okay. Here
Yes,
you will
Okay,
get
sir.
0.75 mole of oxygen atom in this fourth case. So that is, this is
Yes,
also
sir.
not correct. This is also not correct. This is also not correct.
First option only correct.
समझ में आया यहाँ तक बेटा?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
इस तरह से क्वेश्चन को
Yes,
सॉल्व
sir.
करना, इस तरह से सॉल्व करना, इस तरह से. So
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Oh,
hey, no. Okay. So next question. All you have copied.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Copied.
yeah. Okay, see the next question. Okay. What was the number? This was the 17. And now the
The
question number
17.
8. Question number 18.
18, sir. 18.
Yeah. So the number of atoms present in. The number of atoms
Custom
present in.
presenting.
Okay, present in. Okay. 4.25 gram of, okay, NH3, okay, is approximately, okay. Did you remember this
Okay,
this
sir.
question came in BHU, okay, in 1995.
What is BHU?
I think it is for Banaras Hindu University. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a good university. So for that, they take entrance test in giving admission in their
Admission.
graduation part or some whatever the course they want to go for. Okay. Anyhow,
Okay, sir.
so let us see. what they are asking, number of atoms present in. So first I'm giving you options. Okay, so first you
Sir, what is written in the bracket?
ये वाला
Yes, sir.
1995 ईयर बेटा, ये आपका जन्म नहीं हुआ था उससे पहले का क्वेश्चन है ये।
अच्छा,
आपका
last year.
जन्म, या तो मतलब आप समझ लीजिए कि पढ़ाई कितना पुराना चल रहा है, सोचो।
हाँ सर,
तो अब
Agreed.
देखो, यस, तो एक है 1 into 10 to the power 23, दूसरा ऑप्शन है 1.5 into 10 to the power 23, थर्ड ऑप्शन है 2 into 10 to the power 23, और चौथा ऑप्शन है, फोर्थ ऑप्शन 6 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, children. Now our work is to solve this problem. So number of atoms, see, they have asked about the atoms. So, and the molecule is this one. So let us wait. So I told you every time whenever a molecule is given, children, always remember, okay? 3 boxes are there, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So let me see, some more people are willing to join. Rakib
Sir, I
is,
think that the answer is number 2.
wait, let me see.
Sir, number 4.
Uh,
6 into 20 or
Yeah.
23 hours.
सर सेकंड ऑप्शन सर।
रुको, पहले मैंने जिसको अनम्यूट किया है सब आ गए?
हाँ सर।
ओके बेटा,
The second option.
सेकंड ऑप्शन।
देखने दो बेटा, देखो। तो एटम्स पूछा है ना, तो ये देखो, ये पूरा,
हाँ सर।
हाँ, ये पूरे मॉलिक्यूल को अगर हम देखें तो ये यहाँ 1 लिखा हुआ है, मतलब पूरा मॉलिक्यूल एक बार है। लेकिन अगर आप इससे एटॉमिसिटी निकालना चाहोगे,
4 है सर।
4 सर 4।
हाँ, एटॉमिसिटी, तो एटॉमिसिटी है 3 और 1 4, तो 4 आ गया। समझ गए बात को?
Yes, sir.
मतलब एक अमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल में, इन 1 molecule of ammonia 4 atoms are present.
Yes, sir.
So oxidation number not required now. They are not telling discuss about oxidation number. Now here they should write some number. First of all,
Number
we
of
have to
moles.
know. First of all, we have to know that number, the missing number of here. Okay.
Number of moles.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So what is that? What is that? So how we can calculate that one? So see, we can calculate
Mass by molar mass.
because see, they have given weight to us,
Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
by
sir.
writing NH3, they have given us the molar weight also. The
Yes,
molar
sir.
weight
Sir.
of ammonia is 17 gram. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nitrogen
Yes, sir.
14, hydrogen 3. Anybody has
Three.
Yes,
it
sir.
out? Yeah, raise your hand. I will. Please unmute. Shivaji Chatterjee, I have unmuted. Okay.
Yes sir. Yes
Yeah,
sir.
I have started the recording also. There is no problem. I will send it. Yeah. Anybody wish to join actively? Anybody? Wait, now. Slowly, I will unmute to everybody only. So it is the starting only.
Okay, sir.
Have patience. Have patience. So now we require the value in this box, and this is what? N. So where is N?
Yes, sir.
In our app. This is our app only, no? Already we have installed this app in our mind.
Yes, sir.
So see,
Yes,
they
sir.
have given us
Yes, sir.
W. They have given us W. What is that W? 4.25.
4.25 gram.
4.25. And they have given us M also. Not
Yes,
directly, but indirectly
17.
they have given us 17 gram. Indirectly.
17, sir. 17.
And
Yes,
now
sir.
we wish to know the N value. So W is given,
0.25.
M is given.
0.25.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait. Let me move. So the number of mole is equal to weight by molar weight. So weight is 4.25
25.
5.
divided by 17.
17.
Tell me what is the value?
0.25.
0.25.
Okay, if it is 0.25 means 0.25 is the mole is written.
Moles.
So now we cannot say that nothing is written, then 1 is written. Already is written. How much? 0.25. Okay.
25.
25.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Number of atoms.
now you know that in one molecule, 4 atoms are there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So if this is the molecule, then how many atoms will be there? Tell me.
0.25 into 4.
Yeah, 0.25. So
Into Avogadro's number.
wait. I will tell you. So if we using is in form of moles, then we will get number of atoms equal to, okay, number of atom is equal to 0.25 into 4 moles we will get. Okay.
Yes,
Moles.
sir.
And what will be the value of it? 0.25 into 4, tell me.
1.
1.5.
1 mole we will get it. Okay.
One.
So when we reach to 1 mole, it means now we came here, children. We came here. And now we have to move toward this one, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that number of moles must be converted into this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number of particles. So 1 mole, total atoms. Okay,
Yes, sir.
total atoms are
Yes.
otherwise you can do one thing. Anyway, we will go there only. So see, we have got mole.
Yes,
Did you
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. I am showing both the path. Okay. Whichever you feel better, you can utilize that path.
Okay, sir.
I give directly.
Okay. So
किसी का मुर्गी डग रहा है.
हाँ, तो अब देखो हम लोग क्या बोल रहे थे कि ठीक है, अगर हम लोग यहाँ आ जाते हैं, देखो यहाँ पर अगर मोल पे आ गए तो मोल से नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स में चले जाते हैं, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल, और उसका फॉर्मूला ये वाला चीज, ठीक है,
N
उसका
into
फॉर्मूला।
Avogadro's number.
तो हाँ, तो अगर हम लोग ऐसा सॉल्व करते हैं, ये वाला फॉर्मूला का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो वी विल गेट नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स, दैट इज number of molecule is equal to number of moles into Avogadro's number. And what is the number of moles? 0.25 into
25.
what is the Avogadro's number?
6 into 10 to the power 23.
10 to the power minus
Approximately.
23.
So this is number of molecules, children. Number of molecules.
Yes,
We are
sir.
speaking about NH3. Number of molecules. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Then if somebody wants to know about number of atoms, then what we will do?
Sir, into
We
4.
will multiply n into 4. That atomicity is there, no?
Yes, sir.
I told you that it will give you the number of atoms present in each molecule.
Yes, sir.
So now we can solve this problem. So now we can write everything like this. See, 0.25 into 6 into 10 to the power 23 into 4. So now you can move smoothly.
Okay, sir.
I think this will be the better for you, this path.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. It is easy only.
It is easy only. So anyhow, we have used the atomicity. That value is required. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
our final answer will be
6 into 10 to the power
Final answer will be-
24.
so you know that 0.25 into 4 it is 1.
1.
And then yeah.
1.
So final answer is 6
6
into,
into 10 to the power 23.
23.
and see, you can see wherever the option is there.
Number 4.
Yeah.
Fourth
So they are
option.
telling that
Sir, fourth
this is wrong,
fourth
this
one.
is wrong, this is wrong, this is correct. Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, previously also you have discussed this.
Previously also I have discussed.
Yes, sir. In the beginning you have discussed
Okay,
one.
okay. In the beginning, no. So just at beginning it was different. Now we have to write the test and everything, no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So just I am recalling it.
Okay.
See, from here also we can move forward. So we know that we got 1 mole of atoms. And what is the 1 mole of atom? Means 6 into 10 to the power 23. We are getting answer directly over here. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So both the process are okay. Whichever you feel nice, you enjoy it. Shall I move to the next
Yes, sir.
question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Note it down. One question I'm dictating, just write down. Okay.
Okay, sir.
12 gram.
Sir, question number?
Question
19.
number 19. Question number 19. 12 gram of
12.
alkaline earth metal. 12 gram
Yes,
of
sir.
alkaline earth metals.
Yes, sir.
12 gram of alkaline earth metal. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Gives
Give.
12 gram of alkaline earth metal gives 14.8 gram of its nitride. Nitride.
Yes,
The
sir.
atomic mass of the metal is. The atomic mass of the metal is. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Now you solve it. Let me see how you operate this question. 12 gram of alkaline earth metal gives. Did you remember? Alkaline earth metal means what he want to indicate you. See how slowly he gave you information that alkaline earth metal means its valency will be 2. Alkaline
Yes, sir.
earth
Group
metal, okay? And this is nitride, means nitrogen. So you know the valency of nitrogen is 3. So the
3.
formula will be M3N2. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the formula. And see, and they have given the weight of metal also. They have given weight of metal. This is weight of metal, children. 12 gram, okay?
Okay, sir.
And did you remember they have given the weight of nitrogen also? How much nitrogen has been involved in it?
14.
Yeah, see, total nitride weight is 14.8 gram.
14.8.
So out of that you remove 12 because 12 is metal, remaining is nitrogen.
Yes, sir.
So how much is nitrogen, weight of nitrogen?
2.8.
2.8.
Yeah, weight of nitrogen is 2.8 gram, children. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see. Hello. Beta मैं और class में हूँ, मैं 5 minutes call कर रहा हूँ. Don't. Okay. So first of all, let me write the atomic mass of metal is, and option is option 1 12, option number 2 24, option number 3 20, and option 4 is 40. Come on, try what to do.
Sir,
How
number 2, sir. 24.
Huh?
Number 2, 24.
So from here, what we can do, children? What we can do? Any idea? Beta, इसको बंद कर देना. Children, some rain is coming. Just wait for 1 minute, huh?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Just. बंद कर दी बेटा सब. Okay, children. So, have you completed, children? If you required my help, tell me.
Yes, sir. Require your help.
Sir, required, sir.
Okay, right.
Calculated
So-
guess. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
What's the answer? Is
Children,
24.
let me see. Let me see. Okay, you will also come to know. Okay, let me allow some techniques. Okay. Did you remember, children, yesterday when I was discussing about law of chemical combination, and when I was using law of multiple proportion and reciprocal proportion, I was repeatedly telling that we are moving towards equivalent weight.
Yes, sir.
How many of you have remembered?
I remember.
I
Yeah.
remembered.
Did you? So
I remember, sir.
equivalent weight like this. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. I remember.
Okay. So one is molar weight, one is normal weight, and one is equivalent weight. So just I am trying to install one app in your mind. Okay, so repeat it. One
Yes,
is molar weight. Tell me.
Molar
Repeat it.
weight.
Molar weight.
Everybody repeat it. Then only it will install.
One is molar
Okay.
weight.
Wait.
Molar
Let
weight.
me
Molar
involve
weight.
some more participants. Let me involve some more
Molar weight.
participants. I have unmuted everybody.
Molar weight.
Now everybody can talk.
Molar weight.
Wait. चलो अब मेरे पीछे सब लोग बोलो. 3 तरह के वेट होते हैं.
3 तरह के
तरह
weight होते हैं.
बोलने से ही ये ऐप डाउनलोड होगा बेटा.
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो
Three types.
हाँ बेटा 3 तरह के वेट. मेरे पीछे बोलो. मोलर वेट,
Molar weight.
नॉर्मल वेट
Molar weight.
Molar weight.
Normal weight.
एंड इक्विवेलेंट वेट.
Equivalent weight.
Equivalent weight.
Equivalent weight.
चलिए थोड़ा देर से आवाज पहुंच रहा है. शायद ऑनलाइन का ये है. फिर से मेरे पीछे बोलिए. 3 तरह के वेट होते हैं.
के weight होते हैं.
अगर सब लोग बोल लोगे तो अच्छा होगा कि नहीं होगा?
अच्छा होगा सर.
तो इंस्टॉल करना या नहीं करना दिमाग में?
करना है.
Okay, मैंने सबको अनम्यूट कर दिया ऑलरेडी. Unmuted everybody. Now everybody can talk. Some people are there unless and until. Soumyajit Roy, I have unmuted, beta. I have unmuted.
Three types of.
I have unmuted everybody.
Molar weight, normal weight, equivalent weight.
Everybody is ready. Now you can talk.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now somebody are.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I have unmuted everybody.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Ready? Haan.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Sir.
Weights are of 3 types.
Sir of 3 types.
Weights are of 3 types.
Weight, sir of 3
Sir,
types.
3 types.
Weights are of 3 types.
Weights are of three
Sir,
types.
of three types.
Three types.
molar weight,
Molar
Molar
weight.
weight.
Molar weight, equivalent weight, normal weight.
Equivalent.
Normal weight.
कौन 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 अकेले अकेले भागे जा रहा है? अकेले अकेले नहीं भागो बेटा, हम जैसे जैसे बता रहे हैं वैसे वैसे जाओ। मोलर वेट,
Molar weight.
Weight,
नॉर्मल वेट, नॉर्मल
normal
वेट,
weight,
इक्विवेलेंट वेट,
Equivalent
इक्विवेलेंट वेट,
Equivalent
weight,
इक्विवेलेंट वेट,
Equivalent weight.
ये ओके। अब देखो, मैं आपको कुछ याद दिलाऊंगा। सी, नाइट्रोजन होता है ना, सो
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज द मोलर वेट ऑफ नाइट्रोजन? टेल मी।
14.
14. And one weight is there, this is known as equivalent weight, so it will be divided by molar weight। देखा देखा, इसीलिए किसी को ना अनम्यूट नहीं करने का।
yes sir,
Sir,
some
the
noise.
एकदम
noise
पूरा
is
स्पीकर में
coming.
घुस करके एकदम सांस ले रहा है, एकदम जोर जोर से।
सर माइक में फूकता है।
फूक रहा है एकदम, फूक फूक करके।
नहीं आ रहा है।
अब देखो, तो
सर
हाँ।
ऑप्शन 4 होगा सर। सर ऑप्शन
Wait.
4 होगा।
सुनो ना, देखो तो टेक्नोलॉजी तो देखो।
नहीं सर, समझ
नाइट्रोजन
आया
का
सर।
कर दिया है, सॉल्व कर लिया है।
हाँ सर समझ
अच्छा
आया।
ठीक है, अब मेरे को सॉल्व कर लेने दो। नाइट्रोजन का मोलर
सर।
वेट बोलो कितना होगा?
14
14 होगा।
14 ग्राम। ओके,
14.
नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर मैंने कहा ना, जब कुछ नहीं लिखा रहता है तो ऊपर में राइट हैंड साइड में जीरो लिखे रहता है।
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir, you have told.
ऐसे 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 बताया कि
सर।
नहीं कितनी बार?
हाँ
Yes,
सर,
sir.
बेटा।
हाँ सर।
लेकिन यहाँ पर ना नाइट्रोजन खाली N नहीं है, क्योंकि अब तो ये मॉलिक्यूल बना चुका है, मॉलिक्यूल बना चुका है, तो N के ऊपर -3 है।
Yes.
Yes sir.
हेलो,
सर
यस सर।
ओके,
Yes,
तो
sir.
यहाँ पर
Yes, sir.
एक्चुअली इस नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर -3 है। ओके, सो
Yes sir.
कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट किया नाइट्रोजन?
3.
Minus 3.
3 इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट किया। ओके, तो अब आप ना इसका
Yes, sir.
इक्विवेलेंट, हाँ इसका इक्विवेलेंट हो जाएगा मोलर वेट डिवाइडेड बाय 3। ये उसका इक्विवेलेंट वेट है। ठीक है बेटा? हेलो,
हाँ सर।
ओके सर।
ओके
हाँ सर
सर।
समझ आया।
हाँ
मतलब
सर।
मोलर, हाँ मोलर वेट को भी अगर हम वो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लिया उससे डिवाइड कर देंगे तो समझ में आ जाएगा कि एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लेने से वो कितना वेट इन्वॉल्व करता, उसको कहते हैं इक्विवेलेंट वेट। इसको और अच्छा से भी पढ़ेंगे हम लोग। अभी फॉर टाइम बिंग ये क्वेश्चन आ गया है, हमको एक्चुअली नहीं देना चाहिए था, लेकिन जो तो आ गया तो फेस करेंगे, क्या दिक्कत है? ओके
हाँ
Yes,
सर।
sir.
ओके, सो व्हाट इज द इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ N-3?
14/3.
14/3.
This is
14
the
by
answer.
3.
सो अब देखो, हमको क्या बात करना है कि यहाँ पर नाइट्रोजन का वेट कितना था? यहाँ पर कितना
2.8
नाइट्रोजन
ग्राम।
यूज हुआ?
2.8 grams.
28.
2.8
0.8 grams.
ओके, सो वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस।
Yes sir.
वेट वेट,
लिखने तो दो।
थोड़ा लिखने दे भाई, थोड़ा समझो बेटा। ये देखो, 2.8 ग्राम से 2.8 ग्राम, ठीक है, नाइट्रोजन का। वो देखो, हम सबको अनम्यूट कर देंगे, बता दे रहे हैं, सॉरी म्यूट कर देंगे। स्पीकर से थोड़ा
नहीं
दूर
सर।
हो, स्पीकर से 2 फुट का दूरी हो। कोरोना वायरस में भी थोड़ा इतना करीब है, थोड़ा दूर दूर रहो।
The noise is coming.
2 फीट का मेंटेन, हाँ किया डिस्टेंस मेंटेन।
Maintained, sir.
ओके, सो 2.8 ग्राम कितने मेटल से अटैच किया? मेटल का वेट कितना था बोलो?
12
12.
12 ग्राम।
12 ग्राम था। यहाँ तक कोई दिक्कत?
नहीं।
sir.
नहीं सर।
1 ग्राम कितना से अटैच होता? अगर मान लेते 1 ग्राम अटैच कराना होगा तो कितना मेटल चाहिएगा?
12 by 2.8.
12 by 2.8। आ गया बात समझ में?
12.8.
Yes sir.
अगर मेरे
Yes
को,
sir. Yes sir.
अगर मेरे को
Yes, sir.
14/3 से अटैच कराना होता तो कितना चाहिए था? 14/3 ग्राम से अटैच कराना होता।
14/3 into
14 by
12 by
3 is
2.8 into
14/3.
14/3।
14
टेल मी द वेट। सॉल्व करो, सॉल्व इट।
3 for 12. 28. 30/2. 15.
ओके, सो ये तय किया, ऊपर में 0 आया। ठीक है, अब सॉल्व करते जाओ। 14 1 जा
Sir,
14,
0.2 sir. 0.2. 0.2.
सर तो 20 आ रहा है सर 20
आ गया।
मैं तो पहले ही बोला
वेट
था,
वेट,
Yes, sir.
2 1 जा 2,
Sir, 20. Sir, 20.
3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 20 आ गया ना।
यस सर
'Sir, 20 is
तो
coming.
या
Sir,
the
20 is
metal,
coming.
जो मेटल आप यूज कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर ये इक्विवेलेंट वेट था नाइट्रोजन का, तो ये है इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ मेटल का. दिस इज ऑल्सो ए गिफ्ट फ्रॉम गॉड, गिफ्ट फ्रॉम ऊपर वाला, द क्रिएटर ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, व्हाट इज दैट? The equivalent
What
weight
is
of nitrogen
equivalent
and this is the equivalent weight of metal. Did you understand, children? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So just now I gave you the formula equivalent weight. So what is the formula of equivalent weight? E is equal to molar weight by valency. This number,
3
what you have written 3, this is nothing, it is valency. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
You do understand,
Okay,
children?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now we will use same formula. Now we will use the same formula for metal. And now we came to know about, see, we came to know about equivalent weight, we came to know about valency. Okay, so what is the valency? What is the valency of metal? See how clever the question framer. Alkaline earth metal, what is the valency of alkaline metal?
Sir,
Alkaline
do.
plus 2
Two,
Two.
sir,
Do you remember?
sir, 2. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so it
Yes, sir.
means,
Remember.
yeah, 2 is the valency and equivalent weight. Hey, इसको ये लंच वगैरह नहीं किया है ये, ठीक है?
तो ज्यादा कर लिया है, इलाज कीजिए.
आप देखो, आप दिखाओ मोलर वेट कितना आ जाएगा, बताओ तो, सॉल्व करो क्वेश्चन. तो मैंने तो बना दिया पूरा.
Molar.
कितना आ जाएगा मोलर वेट?
सर बहुत आवाज हो रहा है सर बैकग्राउंड में.
नहीं नहीं, अब ठीक हो जाएगा. कितना आ जाएगा बोलो? 20
40 सर
तो ये 2, ये आपका मोलर वेट, तो 40 आ गया कि नहीं?
सर मैंने बोला था सर 40 आएगा.
बोलना और उसका प्रोसेस को ठीक से समझना, ये बहुत माने दोनों अलग अलग बात है, ठीक है?
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. सो मुझसे इस बात को कोई मतलब नहीं कि आपने सही आंसर बता दिया. मेरे को ये चाहिए कंफर्मेशन कि सही मेथड क्या था, नहीं समझे?
ओके
हाँ
सर.
सर.
बढ़ जाओ आगे. जो करेक्ट आंसर इज 40. ओके,
सर
let me check question. It was question number 19 का 4. Yes, 19 का 4. Okay, children, did you understand?
यस सर
Where was the turning point in this question? Where was the turning point?
Sir, equivalent weight.
Yeah, equivalent weight is
Weight.
molar weight divided by valency. And this valency came because I told you about the oxidation number. Okay.
Alkaline earth metal. Yes, sir.
यस सर
So valency is nothing. It is maximum time. It is equal to the oxidation number. That's why I told you. If nothing is written, it is 0. If something is written, it is that oxidation number. So it is the valency of nitride, magnesium, or metal, alkaline earth metal. It is M plus 2. This is the valency of this. And that's why we got the equivalent weight, we got the valency, and that's why we are able to calculate molar weight. समझ में आया
Yes,
यहाँ तक?
यस सर
Yes, sir.
चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. और कितना बच गया मेरे को
Yes, sir.
बताना.
सर 10 सर
Sir, it's 351.
351
351.
351
351. आज की सभा यही समाप्त होती है. कल मिलेंगे इसी मुद्दे के
Sir,
साथ.
who is the winner, sir?
क्या बेटा?
Sir, who is the winner of the game?
बताएंगे बेटा. पहले हम अपने जो हमारे सीनियर पर्सन है ना, उनको बताएंगे, फिर उनसे ये परमिशन लेकर फिर अच्छे तरीके से हम उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे.
सर आप
ठीक है?
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में पोस्ट कर दें.
एकदम हाँ हाँ.
सर आप
बहुत
ग्रुप में
लोग
मेरे को अभी तक
लगभग-
ऐड नहीं किए.
अभी करता हूँ. मेरे को एक बार फिर से
सर
भेज
मैं
देना.
आपको मैसेज कर देता हूँ सर अभी.
ठीक ओके. ठीक है बेटा. तो
हाँ सर, ठीक है.
अब देखिए, हाँ कहाँ गए हम लोग? ये आ गए. चलो, जिसको इसके बाद ऐड करना है तो ऐड कर लेना, और इसके बाद जारी रहेगा. चलो,
ना बहुत सारा है.
बाय
Bye,
एवरीबॉडी.
sir.